welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting video because I finally get to announce my monthly giveaway. Yes, you heard that correct, monthly. A few weeks ago, I reviewed a product called the Instant Smile. Now, if you have not seen the full video for this and the review, I will put the link down below in the description bar for you. This is a set of a custom fitting removable veneers that will instantly improve the quality of your smile. So the same company has a sister product called the Temporary Tooth Replacement Kit. So if you happen to be missing one or two teeth, then this product is perfect for you. Basically, they give you a variety of shades, so you would just choose the correct shade that best matches your teeth. You would cut out a tooth and then you would insert it into your missing gap, and same thing, it's going to improve the quality of your smile. So Billy Bob Products is the creator of these two genius products. They saw my review on the Instant Smile and they were so pleased with the outcome that they wanted to collaborate with me and offer my followers a monthly giveaway. So what that means is every month I am going to rotate between giving away one of the Instant Smile or one of the temporary tooth kits. There have been so many success stories with these products that we want to offer somebody out there the opportunity to improve the quality of their smile as well as improve their self-esteem. So here's how you're going to qualify at a chance at winning one of these amazing products. So we want to hear from you. Tell us why you would be interested in trying out one of these products. So what is your situation? Perhaps maybe you're someone who can't afford fancy dental work. Maybe you're someone who is just self-conscious of your smile. Maybe you're a parent who couldn't smile in any of photos with your kids, or you didn't smile in any of your wedding photos because you were self-conscious of your smile. Perhaps maybe you even just got in a bar fight and lost a tooth and can't afford to replace it. Whatever your situation is, we want to hear from you. So entries need to be submitted by the 31st of each month, and then on the 1st of each month a winner will be selected. We will be beginning with the first winner starting on December 1st of 2018. So there are a variety of ways how you can submit an entry. You can either provide a quick video clip, or you can even do a quick email or description just describing your story, whatever makes you most comfortable. For those who are selected as winners, we would be interested in receiving any before and after photos if you would be comfortable doing that. As well, we would love to hear any testimonials after you have used the product. So to submit an entry, make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. You can leave your story in the comments down below of this video, or you can send me a direct message to any of my social media outlets. I will put all those links down below for you as well. Or you can just send me a direct email to summontheprettywitch@gmail.com. So I wish I could give away one of these to every person who enters the contest. However, if you aren't one of the lucky people to win, these are super affordable products. If you visit the website instantsmileteeth.com, they are available for purchase off the website. The company was also gracious enough to offer my followers a special discount code. So at checkout, if you enter Pretty Witch into the discount field, you will receive a free set of custom fitting beads. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I am so excited about this giveaway. Thank you so much to Billy Bob Products for collaborating with me so that we could do this amazing giveaway for you guys. Good luck to everybody, and I will see you next time.